way out of the pits here. All right, you ready to roll?
Yep.
Here we do it. Second, third, 70, 80, 95. Go curbs. Right. Long sweeper to the left. And if you notice, I'm not fighting the wheel at all.
Right.
It feels right at my fingertips. Back to throttle. Down the hill. 92. And here's a little trick they probably didn't teach you earlier. Use up all the track there.
Yep.
80. 97. Back to throttle, up the hill. Be a little bit careful here. Car gets light. 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Turn in. Back to power, up on the curb. 70, 80, 92. Get a long sweeping left-hand turn. I just dig driving this LC500. It's just fun.
Yeah.
Back to power, down the hill. 80, 90. I am using the brakes though.
Yeah.
Back
It's
to
always
power.
good.
Use up all the track here. And there we go, a lap and a half at Atlanta Motorsports Park. I dig driving these cars, I dig giving rides. Really letting, it's fun, especially for the guys that have purchased these cars, to see what it can do.
Right.
You know, really kind of see braking, acceleration, and then turning and cornering.
Yeah. I didn't even hit fourth gear beyond the back straight.
Oh, really?
Really. Thank you.
My pleasure, absolutely.